we also had some decent breaks, and that allowed the temperature to drop as low as 3 degrees in Inverness. At the same time, in the southwest, in Bude, the temperature was 17 degrees, so a huge difference in the temperature. Now, they're picking up quite nicely in the sunshine, but for most of us today, it's going to be bright rather than sunny and also rather breezy. The reason for this is we've got low pressure to the southwest of us, high pressure to the northeast, and look at the squeeze in the isobars in between. We've also got a weather front coming into the southwest. That's been producing some rain, particularly heavy across Northern Ireland overnight. Now it's easing off a touch across Northern Ireland, but you can still see this big arc of it all the way down towards the Channel Islands. That rain will be on and off through the day. Whereas for northern and western Scotland, central and eastern parts of England, we'll hang on to the sunshine and it will feel not too bad at all. But at times, even through the afternoon, there will be lumps of cloud which could produce the odd shower, and that extends all the way towards the Isle of Wight in Hampshire. For the Channel Islands, heading into the southwest, this is where we run back into the rain. Again, there could be some heavy bursts in there. The rain, again, on and off through the course of the day. And that pushes across the Bristol Channel and into Wales. And as you can see, fairly cloudy across much of Wales, although Aberystwyth towards Holyhead could well see a little bit of brightness. The rain too continuing across Northern Ireland, just not as heavy. And for Western Scotland, there'll be a fair bit of cloud in the odd shower, but for much of the rest of Scotland, it's going to be a fine day and a dry one with some sunshine across central and northeastern parts of England too. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, still will be quite windy. There will be some breaks in the cloud, and it will be cold across the Northwest Highlands. For the rest of us, temperatures staying in double figures, and you can see all this rain. Now, some of that will be heavy, and in the south, possibly, it could also be thundery. So we start off with that scenario tomorrow. Again, all the rain across the central swathe of the British Isles, some brighter breaks in the east, some brighter breaks in the northwest. And through the course of the day, in the shelter of the hills, we could also see some brighter breaks, for example, through parts of Wales and in towards the southwest itself. Temperature-wise, 12 in the north to 20 in the south, so still, for most, a tad above average for the time of the year. Then as we go into Thursday, we've got rain coming into the west, rain coming into the south, in between dry and bright but windy, but some of the rain will be heavy. But as always, if you want to find out what the weather's going to be like where you are, you can do so by going online, or Susan Powell will be here with more in half an hour.